Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here we are at a koi pond rebuild here in Torrance, California. And I just wanted to show you the essential elements of what's going to happen here. So the back door is way over in front of me. And so as they look out, what they used to have just one waterfall here. So we're going to have a main waterfall, big waterfall out here. Then we're going to have a big rock. Then we're going to have two waterfalls dropping, so it's going to be a triple fall. We put shelving here because we're going to have the pond liner come up against here. Then we're going to place rocks. We want more of a sheer cliff for the main reason is because we don't want the big birds called the blue herons to come and step. A lot of people have they have it step down, and that's an invitation to the blue heron. So we're going to go ahead and put that. And I wanted you to pay particular attention to this pond filter, because a pond really, that you feed the fish, they poop. Where does the poop go? Well, it's going to go, we're going to put a pump, the OASE 3,600 gallon per pump underneath at the very bottom, because when fish and people have something in common, when they poop, it goes down. And so the skimmer will take care of any floaters, but the majority of it's going to end up at the bottom of the pond. And so the bottom of the pond was like a drain, and it's going to suck it in. And what it's going to do, it's going to, whoa, slippery there. It's going to send from the bottom of the pond. It's going to send it through this chamber here. It's going to go in, and then this thing right here, the 3,600 gallon per hour, I'll even show you how it works. This is sunk all the way down the ground. It's actually about that tall though. So what happens is the koi poop goes into here, it gets filtered out, and the clean water gets sent back over to the waterfall. We are going to be adding lights. This is a transformer. We're going to add some Corona lights to this. And while I'm at it, let me just show you how this great thing works. This is the FiltoClear 8200. So what you saw right now in the video is just, this is what's above ground, but that's what's below ground. The more, the taller it is, the bigger it is, the more it's going to filter. So it also has a built-in UV filter. So I've done videos on this before, how they get cleaned out. You don't even have to get your hands wet. So that's what the magic behind this. It has a UV light to take care of the algae, and so it's like the perfect toilet bowl flush for your system. One last thing is when it does flush, it's going to flush it over to the avocado tree, so it's going to get that liquid nitrogenized compost. Just nothing better. So for more information, reach out to us, Enviroscape LA. We're all over the map on social media and our website. Thanks for watching. Mike with Enviroscape LA. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.